Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this lesson, today we are going to look at how to find the factorial value of a given number. First off, you must know what is factorial value of a given number. First off, we need to know what is factorial value of a number. The factorial of a given number n is the product from 1 to the number n. So first off, we need the given number n. So step 1 becomes enter the given number as n. Now the formula to find the factorial value of n is 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. into n. So find the product from 1 to n and store it as fact. So step 2 becomes compute fact is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. into n. Now the factorial value has been computed in the variable name fact. So print the result as fact. Let it be step 3. So step 3 becomes print the result as fact. Factorial value of a given number. The algorithm is step 1, enter the given number as n. Step 2, fact is equal to product of 1 colon n. This is the MATLAB command used to find the product from 1 to n. And then step 3, print the factorial value as a fact. Now let's see how to write a program to find the factorial value of a given number. Percentage program to find the factorial value of a given number. This is the command line. This command what will do is it helps the user to know what this program will do. And then CLC semicolon. This command what will do is this command clears the command window to get output in a clear window. And then n is equal to input, enter the value of n. This command what will do is the text enter the value of n will be displayed on the command window, and then wait for the user to enter some numeric value, and then the user entered value is stored in the variable name n. And then f is equal to product of 1 colon n semicolon. This command what will do is the product from 1 to n is computed and it will be stored in the variable name f. And then f printf, the factorial value of n is percentage f comma f. So this printf command display the result. The factorial value of n is on the screen. To make this coding as a MATLAB program, click the MATLAB shortcut icon in the desktop. Then it will bring you to the installed MATLAB environment. So this is your installed MATLAB environment, MATLAB R2015. Now you have successfully launched in the installed version of MATLAB environment. Then click here to create a new script file for writing the coding of your MATLAB program. Then this screen will open. This window is called the MATLAB text editor. Here you can type your coding. Here the text editor is maximized. Now we are going to type the coding in the text editor. Percentage program to find the factorial value of a given number. CLC n is equal to input, enter the value of n. F is equal to product of 1 colon n semicolon. F printf, the factorial value of n is f. And then click the save button to save the program. Now the program has been saved in the name of fact1. Now the coding has been saved as fact1. Now click the run button to run the program. After pressing run button, the program will be executed in the command window. Here the program has been executed. Enter the value of n. Now we have to enter the value of n. Now the value 5 has been entered. Once you have entered the value of n, double click here to maximize the command window. Now the command window has been maximized. Now press enter, then it will show the factorial value of the given number 5. So this is the result. The factorial value of n is 120. Now type quit to exit from MATLAB. Then automatically you leave from MATLAB. Thank you.